What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're giving the welding cart an overhaul. Harbor Freight was having their 20% off sale. I decided to pick up one of these welding cabinets because I needed a new welding cart. We're gonna check it out and see if it's worth it. I really like that this thing comes basically pre-assembled. There's a few parts we have to put together, but it comes with the base all set, all the drawers in it. So all we're gonna have to do is attach the wheels and the bottle hooks and everything. We'll be good to go. Now that we got this thing assembled, let's take a look at some of the features of it and see if it was worth our money. You got 3 drawers here, ranging in sizes. The top one comes with this little divider here that you can put all your little nozzles and tips and everything. The next drawer down is about the same size, just without the divider. Then your third drawer is pretty big. You can fit quite a few things in here. Then the bottom drawer is kind of a lift up and slide cover there, so that's pretty deep. Probably put the welding helmet in there. Really like that it comes with a magnet down here, so when this door shuts, latches into place, it's not going anywhere. And also, speaking of that, you got all these drawers kind of have a real solid, you really have to give them a little tug to get past that, almost like a lock feature. They're not gonna slide open when you're rolling around the cart, and that's a really good feature to have. Now you have 2 hooks on each side of the cart, so that way you're able to wind up all your wires and everything, keep everything neat and tidy. Got a spot for your gas bottle back here, 2 good size mounts, and it does come with the chains. I haven't put them on yet because I haven't put the bottle on. And one of the reasons I wanted to get the upgraded cabinet is because this one is just getting filthy from just sitting out. All the stuff around is getting nasty, dirty, and I want to protect some of the stuff a little bit. So that's why I wanted to opt for one with drawers. A whole lot more storage, keeps things out of getting all nasty and grimy, protects my welding helmet and everything else I need right in one cabinet. Got the cart all set up, got the welder on, got the bottle all connected and on here, wires hung all neatly. As you can see, there's plenty of room for a bigger bottle if you need to. Top drawer for now, that's all I got. Got my gloves and an extra liner in that second drawer. Got a whole bunch of stuff in this third drawer. And my welding helmet fits perfectly down here in the bottom, keeps it safe. Now, depending on how big your welder is, sometimes I've seen people have to modify just a little bit this handle. That's as simple as taking the screws out, kind of shifting it down, drilling a couple new holes, and they're just screws and not bolts. So you'll be able to screw right in, lower this handle a little bit. My welder's not super big, so it fits up here perfectly. This welding cart actually surprised me. It's a little sturdier than I thought it was gonna be. May not be the best welding cart, but I really like that you have all this extra storage space for anything you need for your welder. It's all in one spot and you can just roll it around wherever you need to. I definitely think this is the way to go. Some of the more expensive carts are maybe a little bit better quality, but this one works for what I need it to do. I think this welding cart is well worth the money if you're looking to upgrade, keep stuff a little nicer. You can pick one of these up at Harbor Freight. If you have any questions on this cart, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. As always guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin'. I'm out.